Us cocaine addicts, we have a flush for a wee, a flush for a poo, and a flush for a... So the family don't hear us. Who knows about these ones then? You know when you're in the toilet and you're doing your business and you got a fucking flush? So they don't hear the noise going on, but they do. They know exactly what you're fucking doing in there. They know what time it is. Because you walked in normal, you walk out. Fucking hell, do you want to breathe before you talk? Have you ever done Dennis? Prepare yourself for this one. It's coming up, you're coming up. You've gone in all quiet, and now you're going to go fucking chew your fucking people's ears off. I'm a celebrity, get me out of here. Why the fuck don't you just fucking call it a day? It's time to pack it in! That third flush